Hi, you're watching Infrared. This is our latest static detector with the positive and negative detection and the acrylic rods. So at the minute it's sensing a positive charge. If I move my source of static closer, you see it then goes to red. Move it away and it'll go back to green again. So at present, obviously the unit's sensing a positive charge, so it could potentially sit like that all night until it detects a change, and then it'll turn to red. Other times you may turn it on, it may be red. Sometimes it could be, I'll try and balance it, so it could be sitting balanced between the two to show a stable charge, and it can be green and then it can be red. So the device I'll show you is accommodated in a little box with an on-off switch. You see the device is more balanced there, so I can switch it off. So the sensitivity can be adjusted with the aerial. So on the box itself, it's got a battery slot in the back for a 9-volt PP3 battery that clips into place.